I really, truly, with all my heart, was nearly convinced we had ushered in a new era of superhero storytelling. Yes, this is not going to be the most intellectual or cultured movie review. नहीं करना, कुछ है ही नहीं इस फिल्म में घुसने लायक. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. This is my channel where I review all the movies that I watch and all the shows that I'm watching. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you for all the love. Today we are talking about the latest in a long series of terrible decisions made by the DCEU, Black Adam, starring Dwayne Johnson, Pierce Brosnan, Noah Centineo, among others, directed by Jaume Collet-Serra. For a detailed summary of this very detailed film, go to Wikipedia. Here, let's talk and sink ship. The year is 2600 BC. We're in Kahndaq, a city where some greedy people have enslaved other people, making them mine for precious jewels. A young kid from the mines rises up and leads a revolt. So far, she's giving KGF. Or Shamshera, actually. Kid somehow gets Shazammed, turns into a superhero, causes some havoc, goes to sleep for 5,000 years and is awoken by an archaeologist, as one does. So now Teth Adam is awake. At the very same moment, Kahndaq needs a hero once again. Convenient. Black Adam is a movie you have seen before, not once or twice, but every time you willingly watched a superhero film, a genre jiska heyday is way behind us unless a filmmaker takes a huge swing, something even Taika Waititi couldn't manage to do with the Thor, not Ragnarok, but the new one, jidhar Christian Bale was in a different movie than the rest of the cast. Here, Hawkman, Atom Smasher, Dr. Fate, Cyclone, more popularly known as Falcon, Ant-Man, Doctor Strange and Storm, are members of something called the Justice Society of America, another supergroup nobody asked to be given their own movie. Either poor Pierce Brosnan is just not aware that X-Men, Avengers, Justice League, Fantastic Four, Guardians of the Galaxy, Doom Patrol, S.H.I.E.L.D., etc. all exist and is made to introduce the JSA like it is the first of its kind, or he's done this for a pretty major payday. Either way, and say what you want on this, there is no way none of these actors know what they're doing is derivative of what Kevin Feige and gang have been serving to us now for over a decade. Sure, maybe Dr. Fate appeared first in the comics timeline, but we've seen Benedict Cumberbatch now play this part so much in so many movies and press junkets. Forgive me if I am less than enthusiastic about another white man with a British accent and similar mystical powers.
Here we go.
In fact, there is very little in this whole film to get excited about, The Rock's presence included. He plays Teth Adam, an anti-hero of sorts because he kills people. Lekin values सारी वही हैं RRR वाली, man can do no wrong. 5000 साल बंद रहने के बाद, how he has woken up with an American accent, please tell me. वहाँ कैद में Star World पर Friends देख रहा था वो बैठकर. Also, what is his deal? Like, I'm already invested in Zachary Levi as Shazam, who I like so much. Why do we need another one who gets his powers by yelling Shazam? He can fly, shoot lasers it seems, he has super speed and strength, none of which means anything anymore because this is not 2012.
I kneel before no one.
Aside from the vexing new superheroes introducing themselves in paragraphs upon paragraphs of exposition, the movie's insistence on having a moral compass as though it is more than an obvious grift is such a pick-me move, it's almost funny. None of the tick-mark dialogue about Americans poking their nose where they don't belong, or how criminals must be treated in a justice system, or the world doesn't always need a white knight, they ring hollow and inauthentic, none of them land. What a film like Black Adam is adding to the world, I do not comprehend. Is it bringing anyone except Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson any joy? Noah Centineo looks positively unhappy to be in this film. Wasting this much money to tell once again a tale as old as time, only to set up one mega movie star's entry into an elite club of movie roles, should be a criminal offense. Entertaining तो होती कम से कम film. I haven't struggled this hard to stay awake in a movie so hell-bent on screaming at me for 124 minutes. थिएटर में लगी है, अगर एकदम ही escapism के भूखे हो इस weekend तो देख कर आओ.
Behind you! Did he just catch a rocket? He caught a rocket.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, Black Adam is second film I think this director has done with The Rock. पिछली देखी थी आपने Jungle Cruise? While nothing great, that one also. At least it had Emily Blunt in it. Before you leave, subscribe to my channel. I have finally managed to finish watching Mismatch Season 2 on Netflix. Review up tomorrow. Subscribe.